Tayo, magsalita ka.
Ito ang overview ng Rotorua. Ito naman ang Sky Cable Car.
Oh.
Napakaganda ng view ng buong Rotorua. Kaya masasabi natin na isa na sa pinakamagandang tourist spot sa buong mundo.
Oh.
Kaya ako hindi nagtataka na milyon-milyon ang turistang pumapasok dito. Nag-average yata ng 4 million a year.
Hindi lang. Sa Auckland pa lang yun.
Which is very far from the Philippines. Philippines is only has about 3 million tourists every year. But here, I think it's more than 4 million. That's why I am not surprised if this place is not really being visited by many visitors throughout the world. Because of the wonders of nature is here.
Okay na?
Okay na, di ba? Book. Hello guys.
Ha?
This is that's all. I could not